What a huge package with memories from the year 2022 I received. Just in time before Christmas, I would like to unbox the package together with you, dear SORG friends. So let's start with unboxing some SORG memories. So what do we have here? The SORG C5 interactive panel. In February we started this new advanced format of webinars featuring live online surveys. It was a great pleasure to see you guys being so interactive with us. Okay, what's up next? This is amazing! So many memories from face-to-face events we hosted this year. Starting with a basic plating course in Tuttlingen, various SORG pre-conferences and lectures on congresses, the 10th episode of the Free Flap course in Groningen, our SORG annual meeting in Lisbon, and so on. Just wonderful memories with great people. Another nice memory. Also in 2022, SORG supported curious CMF surgeons to pursue pioneering research and development projects by the well-established Maxime Champion Research Grant. And 2 more grants were even added this year, the Karl Leivinger Observership Grant and the Hans-Dieter Pape Congress Grant. Of course, the SORG Web School Library. This year we opened our SORG Web School Library on the website. I'm pleased that so many of our speakers have already contributed to this platform facilitating 24/7 online teaching. Not yet aware of this? Then feel free to check it out anytime you want. Box is getting empty. Let's see what else we have in there. More than 10,000 newsletter subscribers. Cool that our SORG family worldwide has grown again this year. Time for Christmas. We wish you all a joyful holiday for you and your families and friends, and a happy new year. We are looking forward to many more great experiences and memories to share with all of you. Take care, keep well, stay healthy and safe. See you soon again. Your Ollie.